I want you to tune in and listen to this live coaching call with my sales coach, Chad Cooley. He works with me and my region every single week, and I'm going to roll out a 60-day burn to my region as well as to the public. It's 60 days. It's not an ongoing coaching program. It's just a 60-day burn. If you want to get better at sales, if you're a loan officer and you want to get better at calling real estate agents and building relationships with real estate agents that are not just one or two referrals. They're long-standing, deep relationships. You're not going to want to miss this 60-day burn. The idea around this, 30 new real estate agent relationships in 60 days, and also position yourself in 2025 to make sure you're taking advantage of low rates with refinances, but you never abandon the key to every loan officer's business, and that's purchase business, working with real estate agents. But check out this call. If this is something you're interested in, you can sign up below. But watch Chad Cooley in action with my group.
You created this objection, right? And although you feel like it makes an agent feel good, hey, I've had my eye on you. You know what I mean? It's like, no, that's weird to me. And when you say that, I feel like you're watching my wife get undressed upstairs. You know what I mean? Like, I want you to have your eye on me, right? I want you to just present the script as if you have some value. You know who says, hey, I've had my eye on you lately, right? It's somebody who's got no value, who's looking to charm you into a conversation. You know what I mean? And I'll tell you what, agents recognize that right away. If you're calling with value, you don't need the compliments. Hey, I've had my eye on you. You're like a really good producer in the marketplace, and you do a lot of deals. And I love the way that you comb your hair, right? Nobody gives a shit. I promise you that. All right. So I want you to start this off again. Don't try to charm me. Understand that you've got something that I want, Eric. And if you've got something that I want, you talk differently. Trust me when I tell you it's not a cold call. If you're using the pattern the right way, it's actually a very easy phone call, and you're going to be playing Pac-Man in your marketplace. It's going to be fun, I promise.
Absolutely gold. It's not seen in the mortgage industry. Remember this, loan officers. If you don't know what to say, you create additional objections that take you further away from the finish line and ultimately your financial goals. So if you want to join Chad Cooley and I for the 60-day burn, sign up below, reserve your spot, and we'll see you online in October.